Okay friends, let's discuss today about physical layer of OSI model. Physical layer is the first and lowest layer in the 7-layer OSI model. It is responsible for ultimate transmission of data between sender and receiver. The physical layer defines the means of transmitting raw bits over the transmission media. It also defines how the data is carried over the physical media connecting network nodes rather than logical data packets over a physical data link. The bit stream is grouped into code words or symbols. It simply standardizes everything which we can touch and feel. OSI is a 7-layer model. Every layer has some functions and duties to perform, and it serves the layer below it. Similarly, physical layer also performs some important functions in data communication model, which include real data delivery of bits, physical medium standardization, for example connectors, cables, radio, wireless, and their technical specifications like signal level, their impedance, optical levels of optical fibers, bandwidth, frequency, and their mechanical specifications like their length, strength, dimensions of physical connectors and cables. For example, physical layer defines what will be the voltage level to define ones and zeros in a data streams, whether 1 will present an on or 0 will present it, how many nanoseconds a bit will last, whether transmission may proceed simultaneously in both directions means it should be full duplex or half duplex, how many pins the network connector has and what each pin is used for. For example, in RJ45, what will pin number 1 do, what will pin number 2 do. So this is all specified in physical layer of OSI model. It also defines the modulation schemes, for example, which modulation scheme will be used for which kind of transmission, whether it will be PSK, phase shift keying, amplitude shift keying, frequency, QAM, or which type of modulation scheme. It also controls which line coding scheme will be used, for example, return to zero, non-return to zero, bipolar, or which one. Physical layer also controls the bit synchronization for serial communications, for example RS-232, layer 1 flow control so that the sender and receiver can match their rates, start and stop signaling, circuit switching, layer 1 multiplexing which is used in SDH, DWDM and other transmission systems like OTN, signal processing including pulse shaping, equalization, filtering and all those relevant things related to signal processing, channel coding and bit interleaving, physical network topology specifications. It basically defines that what will be the physical topology, for example whether it will be a ring, whether it will be a bus, mesh or star topology. We will discuss all these topologies in detail in later phases. Bit rate control, network or port mode control, for example whether the interface is used for point to point, multi-point or point to multi-point, or which type of network mode we are using this interface. For example in OSPF we define whether it is point to point or which one. It also specifies the communication type, like it will be a serial or parallel communication. It specifies duplex modes as well, like it will be simplex, half duplex, full duplex, or which type of transmission mode, whether one side will transmit at one time or both sides will start transmitting. It also controls the negotiation mode of the port. For example, it would be auto negotiated or it will be a manual setting on both sides, 1000 Mbps or 100 FTX or whatever. It also controls the CSMA CD and other specifications. Forward error correction is also under the responsibilities of physical layer, which we commonly use in SDH and DWDM systems. Protocols are set of rules and guidelines which are used in a system. Physical layer involves many protocols which are used for data communication. Some important and well-known protocols at physical layer include Wi-Fi, which we use daily at our homes, USB, which we use for data transfers, Bluetooth, RJ45, transmission protocols like SDH, DWDM, OTN, PDH, microwave which is used in radio frequencies, RS-232 for serial communications, ATM, FDDI, DSL and many other protocols. There are many other protocols. Full list can be found on my ATEC website for reference. Some important network equipment, components, and devices that operate at physical layer include hubs, repeaters, network interface cards, modems, optical and electrical media converters, Ethernet cables, optical fibers, and patch panels. Let's summarize the physical layer of OSI model. It is the first and lowest layer in OSI 7-layer model. It performs very important functions like transmission of data, multiplexing, line coding, modulation, physical media standardization, error control, flow control, and so on. Important protocols at physical layer include Wi-Fi, USB, Bluetooth, RJ45, STH, DWDM, microwave, RS232, OTN, ATM, DSL, and so on. Some important equipment operating at physical layer include hubs, repeaters, network interface cards, modems, media converters for optical and electrical, optical fibers, Ethernet cables, patch panels, and so on. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page for more and updated videos.